kakra free United States of America say Enra White House few meters from White House baby Donald Trump otino abrantie bia wo free Afghanistan ekotutuo ama security service mienu ewu na say oko United States of America the ekoso no bra Facebook na yemfa update no embrel enti National Guardsmen one said Donald Trump buy and why na adwen say ye wo baby bebre wo ho a crimes eye awudisem ekoso enti yemfa nsenka Kumasi a instead senka Kumasi police for na BBC a ye be ho adwuma no na Nhyira John Mahama e the police for free Accra and eba be security issues on the way sitenti e kan national guides a omo ye nkrofo a omo de ye sumo omo free national no ma ba aba ye nneoma enti oba Facebook a ye de ato enti eno ade course no ne say Donald Trump buy no say wabehu say nkrofo bebre ade atutura sem ne amimsem ewo ye kan say states ni bi eye kro ni mu bi enti ye won nkrofo bi a omo free national na wato omo se monko sempanyifo ewo ho ni ntimi nya adwuma monko na monko ye saa adwuma no na no na enra ebi ni na momu ye adwuma abrantie bi ena omo hwe ye na se oye Afghanistan but what America on say Afghanistan you kura United States for a course over 20 years sa Osama bin Laden ni sa nyoma na ekoso nintino omo ko ho over 20 years ni at the end of the day hwe see last year ho be no omo free ho no as part of agreement no United States of America former Afghanistan for no akwenya say mumu bi betimi aba betena America na abrantie na oyesa emimsem no omu ko cheke no omu say ofri Afghanistan sisi aye ka say Donald Trump yate so den hihye na ode ba ne say Afghanistan for na omu wo ho no sisi nani ba bebru omu so monso amofri Afghanistan epese by United States of America no ebe den pa as we speak intine say update kakra koso no yeba African so be kaya Guinea-Bissau abrantie bi a US for any training no na enran so Guinea-Bissau for ayo madwen say omoto aba in fact around I think 23rd of November baby omoto aba na before then no yenko de onu etu odi coup etu obi free so na President Umaru Sissoco Embalo ono na odi coup oya branch TikTok pa odi coup ene tu Guinea-Bissau president free so na watena so ache na nsei no ye na adwen se omo koto aba se obe free soja mu aba democracy nti omo koto aba abato no kra nyantum wie ye no omo wie no so wawi ni o can so wawi no that is not the person get the name right and put the name in there. Umaru Sissoco Embalo, very tall guy. Na sisi aye ka say Guinea-Bissau so coup assassi coup dia ono di coup ba ye ebetu no efri ho no ono nso omu di coup etu no e say army officers no omu nso ese president no why deposed e che ni position as a president no ometu na de so. And she said, the question say Guinea-Bissau, the Odiku etu obino. Onoana omuso omo etunono. And it's dangerous. It's dangerous for our democracy. It's dangerous for our democracy. Now, the economy say, a honjoye. Sisi aye kase Madagascar, Mali, and ye can say Burkina Faso, right? And Mali, Niger nso kuna ekoso. Ghana de yaje to say democracy. Ghana de yare nyankopon ene soso yeso. Ene soso yeso. Enti the ekoso kakra ewo hono no. Okay, fine. I think said that's confirmed. Arehusem ne say emboama your democracy no enkonanim. But the point is that why would African Union no the entire are useless. The reason why African Union no are useless and they say oman kasa emu omo enti African Union no say ya ne besie if we say yenya president a omo ye power drunk. African Union timi atena so ma encrophobia atena platform ne so sa emfasobia ma so Pobia opese owu to akonya no so Pobia Cameroon president otimi kura Jonso gu ne ho Jonso Pobia o Jonso gu ne ho o Jonso gu ne ho se watimi yasa to abama no Nhyira fan fa Pobia de to so mai. Now we show many munswa Umaru we show many ma very innocent to would this African leaders in your papa adwene nye per ayi de ne to so never oba ne de ne nso to so mame Tanzania oba besia mame oba tan se crowd the wire power drunk ama na say ne ba ba and ordinary deputy education minister Pobia nie papa no owu odwunso gu no humpo Cameroon odwus mamini nie Tanzania oba Cremonia yateto kama ewudisem and oba na CNN reports just give me that report CNN reporter eche Tanzania nipa ewuo ewo Tanzania mami wentia Nianim so your bad time. Say where you would new cratching will be. Me say African Union nti na ya useless no. Because they be am no funuma hu say useless because ya man ho kwan. Na ma me ya ka no ho asemi. De nti a wotimi yes an ne say ye won kofo bi o metwa ne ho ahia eno mo yes a. Because of bad time ho de me no wo. Pobia ahoden be no wo. E basa wono metwa ne ho ahia no ene timi kasa obetimi aye obi antimi nya ohwe ano mukum nipa Tanzania obawe wudini bawe entini pawu just because of power when you about 90% about to know about to obey na wuti wiase ma ye nyina ekoto aba now say unko 96% aden obawe wudini we is a wicked woman. She's a wicked woman. Wudini bi anche no. Wakunipa. CNN reports na may hu ye. And so Chamfonisa will be BNC. Terrible. 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 Give me the CNN report on that. Nipana ni yeshi wo mu yeku wo mu it's terrible. Okay, we are death toll rises to 127 in Tanzania ferry no this is a you have then a abisam pese obehwe nneoma bi kakra me kan we efri say matese nkrofo bi eda so saade na atwa mu no nkrofo bi ahyase ka ho asem ena John Mahama yema ne third term already John Mahama kasa onko third term but still na nkrofo bi omo NDC mugusu yesa yema President John Mahama third term mabodama na mo amoke kasa no mabodama na yeah fatu me so na yeah alignment mami beze me ka weche mo ka kire yese John Mahama tetem no mabodama na are you guys mad? Do you understand democracy? Mabodama na democracy na ye ana mo ka say Ghana na so special immune from coup ho ye ka coup ho asemo kire nkofo no. Are you guys okay? So mo person mo kire say ye John Mahama mo hye no obekọ tetem ene ese da bi tetem onko tetem ye ma ne kwan NDC fo ni bedidi atem ema ye ama president say onko tetem me kan ho asem kofo so na president de on kan say obekọ tetem it is a president and kaso onko tetem why would still be a discussion on say yemma President John Mahama tetem enya day. Are you guys okay? Sabi mabodam ana because umodama you will not say democracy Ghana ye kra no mo be say democracy no na de abufu aba. If you're not mad you will not think say President John Mahama was owie ne legacy term ni na ma hyase epusi se enkotetem entuba wan say to me ni wura ni trima na wa use parliament ni asesa nioma na ayebasa na oman no abufu abem na ntokwa abem na nipa awu na mu nkurasefo agimifo no mo. I'm using this word because you don't know the effect of war. People like you are so power drunk you don't know the effect of war. Entina me de Tanzania de na to so no. Tanzania ochi opposition ni nyina ekotum. Tanzania into opposition ye to aba no opposition no mudam. Ono nko anya be 91%. Nipa ewuo. Because of this. Enti democracy no say ye kura ho no. Utuminti Yemma John Mahama Sanko tetem. Meanwhile, or say we jai. And where from this discussion again? The more person we are I'm a communication expert. I teach communication. The more you know, your friend engineering of consent. Metiase pa. The more you know, your friend engineering of consent. Engineering of consent, and they say. Yen shed the new soon crophobia ye ferry woman no mun shall see any sound common because so many this sound common na a tongue crofo team it's a bedroom baby no obeka say oh na say enya hwe ya stop no mo amasha say John Mahama tetem ya ba stop no emma so opagina baby kasa oh ye hwan emma so because president nan kasa ye busa no opesa wo ya na o se da bi. Now say one mumu president and answer onti democracy say it makes a mad person and original idea no. Are you trying to tell me say obi any NDC ni mu a mo betimi hand over power man smoothly and tokwa ma yera John Mahama so on pesa tetem na mumu bia hyase ka tetem Africa for ye nsua de mo de bibia ebeku nipa no eno na sabi nkrofo a omu nsua de nu akire no omu hyase trigger NDC montena so forever NDC montena so forever by 2026 na mo ho ahyase ayehi enti vote na munya no 2024 no munya biem se Ghana for to amusumpo a sa city na manya no eso bete mo ho be yehi from 2026 no and Kufuor be cause strike 24-hour economy in Kufuor shall said betata mo it me ma NDC for timu nyomu de. That is why I laugh. So because MPP for o metro opposition a cha na anti-democracy ase. About all in Ghana, it's an 8-year cycle. Ye nim se eye dey 2028 NDC Ghana for beto omuso. But sa sit now omunya biem. Ye very careful with the way your democracy no ene ebufo was system ni mu. The fact that Kufuor Mahama ne nkyese Kufuor ebufo ni system ni mu. They are only happy say yenya John Mahama na niabra osesa enioma kakra ena ma ebufo no asenko Kufuor bu afuo. You think say Ghana ejosa? You think say Ghana ejosa? Sana yeo. Chese oni onya kotena ho a. Eya se unkwa na Kufuor. Ye opo bia mananka watoa so a. Anka wo se Kufuor mum na nke mane toa so. Edurumre bi yewra Kufuor kraka say 4 years ni esua. Enti yemfa nko 5 years. NDC for credit din atem. Go back to history. When Nhyira Kufuor ka say, wabetena so we say 4 years ni so, enti yemfa nko 5 years. NDC for say adey wadi bia eye 4 years no eye. But yen nyina nim say Kufuor had been one of the best in our fourth republic. Ana Kufuor da so boni din. Ana Kufuor benya anka Kufuor betoa so. Obia no nim history no nim say Kobi benya anka Kufuor because Kufuor toa so won nyoma bi ho a anka yewura Kufuor de ode Ghana bedru no. Look at the ratings of Kufuor. Yewura Kufuor before he left. Go and check the rating Ghana enyam na meto saba no. Ghana for to aba CDD report. Kufuor is the only president of free abenya so no. Na Ghana for a rating of 76%. Ebinsi da. Go and check the report of CDD report. Go and check the report. I'm not speaking with emotions. I'm speaking with data. Me say, Kufuor in the Fourth Republic is the only president na all free so no. Ghana for score no higher marks. All free so no. John Mahama free so na say 34%. Yewura Kufuor do free so na say 30%. Yewura Tamil citizen no etibai from 76 etiba 54% as of 2012. Enyam na make CDD report, go and read it. Empo Yewura Kufuor oka say yemma 5 years cranko for the din atem. Eno kotena ni baby. Because me kran no oka sa da no sa bre no na ye adwene Yewura Kufuor nko aho. But a chain man who say 4 years no credit. Can you imagine saying that's who won an Kufuor as the president in 2025? Can you imagine? Imagine saying Jantuah about Finanke Kotua Basenka 7 December meboa. It's a Finanka na Kufuor do. Ni 5 years aso. Hey, Evradi Yankopon. Nhyira FM. Once a wo onka wompe. We NDC ni imagine say anka 5 years ye gitum and na Kufuor do that so ye president and kwa so brewa no Mahama is our hope. Monto mo bo ase wonyo mabi ho because enye de bia na benya John Mahama because John Mahama part 1 no na onye papa o na enye John Mahama part 1 no na enye papa na enye ye nyina ne atikrom ha na enye enti ne campaign ti a John Mahama no se na Kufuor dumra oko 8 years na wakosua de enu enti na John Mahama ye nneoma bi a Ghana for pe he de me kan me nkasa ohubeto me ka no kra eda ho because you know why se coup si a wo ubedwane ubegya wo yire no ma me wo ma o mintimi nwane nya me yire ne me ma ho mintimi nwane nya nkwada ho woni agapade bia enti wo sori a na wo dwene o kansem hunu ba cheke A February 2003 report, Afrobarometer, stated that 74% of respondents expressed confidence in President Kufuor. Jeff, thank you for this data. 74%. As President Kufuor, Omayade. In 2008, check the report. Another report covering data up to March 2008 indicated that 78% of Ghanaians approve of his job performance, an increase over the year. Report Anyam Nameko. President Kufuor is the only president. And so then what is happening? Munya demu ye no, because Ghana ne ye person die sao. Majority approve of Kufuor's administration. And that hono. Majority approves of Kufuor's administration. And so no clock 5 years a penno a problem. Because ya end this for anyantu. Munya isa discussions no, because munya yebesi ano kwan. Ye mamu kwan enti mama ye tetem na nsema hu se nkofo bi so mu kotu archbishop ba mentis archbishop aka nkofo bi na kotu say president's third term is divine then kofi eno ye dey president third term is divine why just say
na me pe video na share to confirm say e kan yampa. But I don't think say Archbishop Duncan Williams will say that. But minyenya video no, so I can't say waka bibi sa.
Also mu kotu no.
Because ye church sa no mana na wan hwe ya na mislead you. Sometimes people come out to say ye a dabontin yes an o kan. So me na I wanted the video itself to confirm. It is so far na na ye fa na say ye hu ye. On kan hwe. Mu
mi enjai sa enyoma no kra, because you see what is happening in Africa no. The entire anam African in say what's Ghana and you say we are okay.
Yeah.
But Ghana me say emrante na wo hu mo emrante no mo galamsey site emrante no mo chifo mo bono say wo ma no 200 na 100 cedis oba be ku obi obeba ba be ku because enne no obi abuafu
and then na ho kire ba o mamu na baabi a wonya wo pa no ya na basabasa ye do so bebre so hu won say so wahwe on north boko no muni ade a entokwa ekoso ni ade a ye kan say yasrafo current mean control. Let's look at just one part of the country.
Boko
wompu na oman no nyina no se yekoye bibi ni anhwe ni ye na bibi ko jinsemu a how can our military your security boko ba bi kakra you we cannot even control it. Now no IGP copy once you two ne ka true. And it's telling you say any say no maybe why you so make for how ba o. Ade your mo kan na third term democratically. O man yaje atu say e 2 terms. And say na yes san kosen obi aba o de obeye. Obi aba o de oye. Na Guinea-Bissau sa wo hwe o mo ayi a elections o mo to ye. So nim say Umaru ayi embalo yi. O sa person to aso kon second term. Na yes elections no more na abato no moto no ase kokoasa bi wase and why na adwen say person wo mu ewia banim to ne contender no Fernando se hwan no ono sa guy no utumi say this time the people are pushing for him and we no person ono so sa ato aso so we dey meche no nti ekoba sa no na penche ni ade manfo no bi so na wo hwa oman ya 65% of the population ede here bubrom. And that one you just fact check. I see we say about 2 million youth we say there near. We or mine we 65% to nana. It will be a here one. Basa any pinche to me kosu bebre e wo ho pa. And na baby a batro any kabima min kabi yan rese be ya dwuma yi no. Emba entokwa ne sa ku yi ne no mai ekoso. Uhwe the reason for the SC Guinea-Bissau yi nyina no a. Because of elections no a. Omudin say ye transparent. Because of democracy, Omaru no person or chinchin na ochiano ni enti. And so I say you careful. Because your democracy will make a mammy kabi. Aye timu kama but no be a kofa controversy biaba. Ye extended term. And ya mo bin san ko bi me say. ɛyɛ 8 years obia wo de obetumi aye we as we speak we don't even know who will come next say edi wo de hwe say yema the current president 20 years kura nana say betwam yema 100 years kura betwam but etwam a whoever comes also a contribution whether good or bad into one transfer da so let's continue with your democracy na ye wono na ye nto ye di agro na ye ko ye na ye ko sachira we mu just because it will favor us you are the greater good of the nation.
People don't understand.
That's very important.
People don't before also, people don't understand why we are doing these things, and people feel say Ghana is immune. Is immune to coup and
now why are you pushing it? Because His Excellency now so could be.
No, intentional act, and that is why I want you to Google something before say Eugene Bebe, and you cannot Google engineering of consent.
Seriously,
I want you to Google engineering of consent. The omo yeno. So I want to communication as here. Obeka say funny. It's not funny. Engineering of consent. The propound here. Then share propaganda ne die echre. So that people would understand. Therefore, for education purpose.
Edward
Bernays. Edward Bernays is the father of PR.
Sigmund Freud, or a nephew of Sigmund Freud,
yes.
And he's a father of psychology.
Yes, Edward Bernays is the father of public relations. What they are saying now, you be a okay kind of history. It maybe not American tobacco, Jortono, na memman kwane no. Na no mu pese dodo na no na man so no. Eno mu ko hu sa Edward Bernays yi.
Yeah.
Eno tena se a planning say ye hu say that time memman no boom man pa. Nti o ka kire mu say okay ye be ni say. E be ka kire man ni say o ye oba na o pese o de hu free be ma ho a nom George.
Yeah.
E man no so na dodo na no mu krumbu omo. Ena o mu hia ase say na menom George. Na me nso ma kire say me ye eduru on a free within few years no na George ekosro because a man meme nyina enom he is the father of PR. In fact, he was part of the people no mitimi di konkonsama war esie ni atua ne ka
nti asa etakrebu je mo hya ase kakra ba onim de owoye
na no de deliberate what shed that otimi da woma or ye PR person
ba hu sa so wo hya wo
ja wo gini di
unse na wo link to President Mahama de na sesi economy na yeye no nti o mo link o ayeye de man threat time beto so ena na can deliberate consistent but na you see when
man can we ni
yes
can we
and the birthday boy we kasa and the birthday
and then Eugene say to
and then the birthday look
head of research
you be celebrate you and then the people ni nyina ya na
engineering of consent.
It refers to the strategic shaping, influencing, and managing of public opinion, so that people voluntarily support a policy, product, leader, or ideology without feeling coerced.
Okay. So can be.
Nana, or say it refers to the strategic shaping.
Strategic say and yes, I was sorry, Anna Woki come.
Influencing.
Influences say
yeah there
influence here obi o ferry for there when you maybe home ebetimi aya wo sofo o teacher o lecturer wa damfo o yere ukunu or there because you trust no
and managing of public opinion
there enkofo susu o dia say the enkofo adwene no what share that say o person o man enkofo adwene ekwan bi
so that people voluntarily support a policy product leader or ideology without feeling coherent
enti ye beye ne say the beye asa wo gia tunkra wo feel say obi na force enti wo say wutimi gibibi tumpa na wo hu asa obi anchechero but ope
asa me cry den na me ye wi
and so ope obi wo ha ope John Mahama because of a kwan ye fa so ma John Mahama hu so yinyame obi wo ope ba umia because of the way ya hohoro ama ba umia hu ba umia obi wo ope Kenya Japan because deliberate na o ma ye use o mu no influences ebitimi ye yensem trofo Eugene say to akanko ade Nana Jantuah akanko ade etimi your pastor me call wiase huhu mu wiase no me se kene Japan ene be wini me se ba wo mia Nyankopon ye ordain me call huhu wiase no Nyankopon say e wo se John Mahama ko 13 oye osofo
ti obey influence
so ebetimi aye wo manager ebetimi aye wo ferry fuo bi
ntina omuta yisu asofo ne omo consori campaign
ne engineer consent nipa no ferry ninti no ka
obeji atu
nti wa hwe obemo ahwe nsa bi ama because wakase uye say ya
okay. Wow.
That is engineering of that was Papa Nebe Edwebanis, who is the father of PR. And today omo ye tetem ni ye part of engineering consent. To be say na say so for waka na say me so for pa de or ye D4 and you say yen wini is dangerous.
Wow. Baby boy
to us way